In a world where dreams are digital and reality bends to imagination, every revolution begins with a single spark of innovation. Every empire begins with a single vision. Every revolution starts in the shadows. We forge our path in the code and steel. Midnight oil burns, we dare to feel. Trials hard and failures deep. We rise again from where we weak. In the darkness of failure, innovation finds its brightest light. Persistence becomes power we ignite. When persistence meets innovation, code becomes creation. Dreams take their first breath in the world we shape. One sale, one spark, one fate. From basement workshop to digital state. One print, one customer, one dream at a time. Building empires in the lab of the mind. Creating value, serving lives. Changing worlds with how we strive. This is more than business. This is the future. This is revolution. Your future isn't written in code. It's printed in possibility. When you build something that matters, you don't just change your life. You change the world, inspire the fight. One spark, one vision, one legacy to light. The power of systematic innovation shines bright. The technology exists. The market is waiting. What will you create?